Schaeffler considers itself a motion technology company. It's a leading manufacturer and supplier to the automotive and industrial industries of high precision components and solutions. So Schaeffler globally established in 1946 in Germany, and in 1973 it established a small sales office and distribution network in Australia. Schaeffler organises itself into 4 divisions: e-mobility, powertrain and chassis, automotive aftermarket, and industrial.
In the industrial division, we serve our customers by importing bearings from Germany. We warehouse them here in Australia and we deliver them all over Australia and New Zealand.
Schaeffler is best known for a number of things. Number 1 would be the quality of our products. Number 2 would be the innovation. Schaeffler invests very heavily in R&D to create products and solutions that are going to meet the customer needs.
Our high performance coatings, typically a coating will be applied to a bearing to add some form of extra mechanical or performance property. It's when you have a wind turbine and this generator actually generates electricity. Those currents can get into the bearing and create harmful damage to the bearing. The coating that we put on the outside of the bearing, that stops the passage of the current from one ring to another ring.
We have many experienced staff, both on the automotive side and the industrial side.
From an automotive point of view, we deal with all the car manufacturers across the globe. Every single car manufacturer has our parts in their manufacturing process. So we take those parts and then we sell them in the aftermarket. So the big opportunity at the moment for us to progress in Australia is to get local logistics set up in Australia. We've just launched local logistics with more of an Asian range focused on the local market in Australia. And that's where the big potential is for us.
Schaeffler also is a global organisation, so we're able to support our customers all around the world and provide the support that they need to make sure that they have reliable and efficient and high performance products.
Well, Australia in itself is a real melting pot of cultures and diversity, and Schaeffler Australia really mirrors that within the team. So we have 70 employees, but we have 26 different nationalities across Australia. So each person brings something to the organisation, and we really try and celebrate each person's culture and background.
In the last 8 years, we increased our level of involvement with the Chamber. We see it as a great opportunity to network, not only with other like-minded companies, but also with other stakeholders within our industries. It also helps us with our profile. Schaeffler is a family-owned business. The Schaeffler name isn't as well known as some of our bigger brands, and so being part of the Chamber helps lift our profile within Australia. We get to meet companies and decision makers through the Chamber that can help us in our business.
Working with the coordination and support of Florence, we were part of the delegation that went to Gladstone to see what was happening in hydrogen. We make products in the hydrogen value chain. Being part of that delegation to go to Gladstone with other Chamber members to talk to the customers on the ground who are pioneering this field is absolutely invaluable for us. To make those connections with industry, to make those connections with other Chamber members, and to really be part of this really exciting emerging technology. That's a real benefit for Schaeffler.
We focus heavily on employee development, either through training, career development opportunities, or mentoring programs. And we really feel that that's an important aspect of developing individuals, not only to progress as an organization, but also for the individuals that within the company.
We're also located in all the major capital cities. So we are able to support our customers when they need us, and the sales and service team that we have in Australia provide an exceptional level of support and innovative solutions to our customers. That's what makes us strong.
We've recently launched a range of a water pump program for the Australian market. So when we think about the technology moving forward, a thermal management pump doesn't just cool or heat the cabin of the car, it's also cooling and heating the engine, and moving forward with electric vehicles, it'll also be cooling the battery pack on the vehicle. So that technology is coming more and more into Australia now through Schaeffler.
So rolling bearings, so as it rotates, it bears the load. So we've got special sensors that attach to the machine, and we transmit the heartbeat of the bearing, the vibration of the bearing wirelessly back here to our remote diagnostic centre, and our team of engineers are able to analyse the vibration signal and tell our customers that the bearing's either in good condition, the bearing might have some damage in it, might even need some lubrication. We can tell the customer exactly what they need to do to help them maintain their machines.
Schaeffler is looking to become more sustainable, and we're very heavily focused on renewables, both wind and also hydrogen. So we see great potential in those areas over the next few years.